Yeah, some queries was asked, right? Will you be explaining real-time? Yes, real-time projects, right? Will it cover complete data science and generative AI? Yes. Kishore Kumar, you can just see around 20 to 25 pages the course content is. So that's why I'm saying 5 years, sorry, 5 months. So in brief, in depth about this, just check with this course content, right? Even forget about this. We talk about this AI only. Yes, generative AI. See, these are the concepts of this generative AI and agentic AI. This is advanced AI topics I'm discussing in this. This all are this generative AI and agentic AI topics. Not like overview. In brief, in depth, we'll be discussing about the things, right? So data science, just now someone asking, okay, is it if I shift to this data science, right? It is one of the promising and high in demand career path today. Even like even massive amount of data rapidly increasing every day, right? So I said just now, I said data scientists expected to grow further 45% by 2026, right? So today's data science is not limited to analyzing data or understanding this. It has been empowered with AI and other advanced techniques. So it is going to solve real world problems and train the advanced systems with human interventions, right? Yes. So even if you go like you can go as a data scientist, as a ML engineer, you can go see after doing this course, right, which is covering everything. As a data scientist, as a ML engineer, machine learning engineer, as a AI engineer, you can go as a Gen AI engineer, you can go like a data analyst, you can go, right? And like a BI analyst also, right? Yes.
Hi, sir.
If,
Is
yes, go ahead.
audible?
Yes, yes.
This is Praveen Kumar. Actually, I want to be know the things. Is deployment there? Like GCP, AWS, Azure, kind project at the end of the project?
Yes, yes, I'll be showing you. So here I'll be showing, right? I said I'll be discussing about 3 to 4 projects I'll be discussing, right? So to get practical exposure about all these things. Fine.
Okay.
Even, okay, yes.
So,
Someone was asking.
why I am asking, because of most of the question is arising from deployment. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why it is when the client is asking to generative AI and agentic AI deployment. If you have
To
knowledge
have
about
knowledge of.
deployment, you can be to be suitable for the data scientist. So that's why
Yes, yes.
lots
So
of question
here,
arising in front of me.
yes, yes, I'll be doing those things, right? Real world use cases and applications, right? Deploying process, development process, advanced. So this is what I was saying, advanced topics in generative AI and agentic AI. I'll be covering those. Yeah. Any other queries you got?
And one more thing, actually. So, programming is compulsory, or how? I mean, what roles can we expect? Like after this course, like if I'm not interested in programming,
Mm.
so is there any like as you said, like data analyst and all, but data analyst and all, maybe Power BI and like other.
Yeah, you need to have some okay. Mainly thing you will be getting the main core part of this from this course, but apart from this, you need require some other skills like SQL and
Mhm.
some Power BI and this MS Excel for those things.
Yeah, that is fine, but what will be the outcome of this course? Like, if I don't want to be a programming guy to continue, so what roles can I expect without programming, or yeah, some kind of business analyst role or something I can expect?
So what okay, for those people at the end of the session, right, that resume building sessions at that time, right, even I'll be guiding you people, means people who wants such kind of, see, additionally means like data analyst, as you said, just analyzing data, identifying the patterns, creating some kind of reports and dashboards, and just some kind of knowledge like basic SQL, some Power BI knowledge along with this knowledge of this machine learning of these things you need to have. You can go
Sir,
with that.
good evening, sir. Sir, is this course inclusive of Gen AI development and Agentic AI development?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Generative and agentic AI, right? So topics from models from this observe here. Models from 20 to 40 are of those only. Model number 20 to 40 are from generative AI and agentic AI. Out of 40 models, I'm covering this 20 to 40 are generative AI and agentic AI. That's why the course duration is 5 months.
Hello sir, can I talk with Telugu?
Yes, you can go ahead.
సార్ నాది 21 బ్యాచ్ పాస్ అవుట్ సార్. యాక్చువల్లీ నేను నాకు ఏం
See,
ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అంటే ఏం
see,
తెలవదు.
that's the thing. Okay, I'll come. See, people from zero programming, non-programming background, anyone, right, can update with this. Step by step, you'll be learning all the things. Who doesn't have any programming knowledge, here, I said that's the reason Python will be discussed along with Python, like 100 videos of Python will be provided, even you can go through that. But I'm not expecting that much full length Python, that like developing some kind of web applications. We are not doing those kind.